Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create stock chart in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. To create stock chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. And go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the stock charts option, insert waterfall, stock, funnel, start. Just click on this option, just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the third option is stock chart. You can see the different types of stock charts available, so I click on this one and here you see your stock chart inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Okay, so in this chart you can see the two vertical is showing the verticals value excise and secondary verticals value excise. In the opens markets and closed markets values also here showing. In close point you can see here the series, the close points 1st May 2025 155 values. You can see in 1st May is 155 values and the second close point here 160. The 2nd May is a 160 close point also here indicate in this stock chart. Okay, and here in horizontal showing the date with the open is a blue color indicate high low and close is the orange color indicate dash here indicate. Okay, so this is a way the stock chart is indicate the all details in the charts, so it is helpful to analyze your market. Okay, so to increase the size of the chart you just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the chart. Okay, if you want to change the chart style, simply go to the chart design. In chart style, just keep cursor on the every style and you can see the chart style is changed. Okay, see, you can select the chart style those you want. Okay, you can check the preview and select it. So I check here the preview and click on it to change the chart style. Okay, and you can change the layout also. Go to the chart design tab. In chart layout group, click on the quick layout. Okay, there are different type of layout here available. Just keep cursor and see the changes in the layout. Okay, see the changes layout. Just select the those you want and here you can see layout also you changed. Okay, if you want to edit the chart titles, simply click on it and you can use here this backspace delete key to delete the chart title and you can enter here the new chart title also. So I just enter here um market. Okay, market view. I just enter here the simple chart title. Okay, if you want to change the font style also you can change here the chart title font style also. Simply right click on the title and click on the font. Okay, and here the font dialog box is open. You can change here the font style also. Click on this arrow, you can select here the different style. You can increase the size of the font title and you can change the color of the font title. Underline style also you can add here. So I add this and underline color also you can change. So I select this one and click on OK and see here. The red color is not highlighted. Again, I right click and click on the font and I change here color yellow and click on OK. Now you can see your chart title is showing the highlight. Okay. And the next, if you want to move the chart in another sheet, you can move it easily. Okay. Simply click on the chart again, go to the chart design option. And here in location group, click on the move chart. Okay, you can see here the small dialog box is open. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. There is a second option, object in. The default selected sheet number 1. Click on this drop down arrow and you can see all sheet is showing here. Those are available in this Excel file. So I select here sheet number 4. I want to move this chart in sheet number 4. Just click on OK and that's it. In sheet number 4, your chart is moved and in sheet number 1 your data is here. Okay, so this is a way you can move your chart also in another sheet in same Excel file. Okay, and if you want to change the chart tab you can change it. Simply click on it, go to the chart design and in type group click on the change chart type. Okay, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, change chart type. Okay, there are different type of chart types is available. Simply click on it and you can easily change the chart type. Okay, so I select here the one chart. So I select here the area chart. Okay, you can see the preview also area chart. Just select those you want and click on OK, and here you see your chart type also you can change it easily. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.